very, very important to also recognize in the F-connector space that the F-connector serves two functions. It serves the electrical and RF protection, the shielding function, the grounding function, which maintains our customer signal in a clear and unbroken manner. With the introduction of continuous ground connectors into the market space, we've really solved that issue. We can have a connector in a loosened state and maintain an unbroken digital signal to our customer. No more digital tiling, pixelation, or costly truck rolls due to those impairments. Our concern at Times Fiber is that now that we know F-connectors are going to exist in this loosened state, we are concerned about the mechanical function of these F-connectors, meaning their ability to seal out corrosive elements from the cable system. At Times Fiber, we're very proud to announce that we have also dealt with this issue in a very successful way. We'd like to show you this demonstration to really exemplify what we are able to do that is different and separates us from the rest of the manufacturers in this market space. What you'll see here is a demonstration by which I'm injecting air into various assemblies. For this to work, we need sealed port splitters and very tight manifold lines. We are able to inject some air to very predictable PSI numbers, and then what we're going to check is we're going to find out if our F-connector assemblies are sealing in a properly installed or tightened environment, and then we're going to slightly loosen those, engaging the continuous ground features on these connectors, and see if the mechanical integrity of that product stands up. So what you'll see here is our needles are going to move as I inject air into each system, and what we can see is properly tightened F connectors are able to maintain a certain amount of mechanical integrity. This system here is sealing somewhat well. We have a slow leak in this system. This system is leaking a little bit more quickly, and then this is the Quick Connect 2 with Quick Shield feature by Times Fiber. We have no leak whatsoever. However, again, this is before our continuous ground features are engaged on any of these systems. Once we engage the continuous ground feature, as we'll do over on the my extreme left, the moment we engage the continuous ground feature, by slightly loosening the product, we can see that we lose all mechanical integrity with this system. We'll do the same thing with this outdoor connector. This manufacturer actually builds this connector to be used solely in the outdoor environment. So as we engage the continuous ground feature, the slow leak that we're experiencing becomes a very, very rapid leak. It's a catastrophic mechanical failure in this system as well. There's really no point in loosening this system at all. We can see that even in a fully tightened environment, all mechanical integrity has been sacrificed here. Now in the Times Fiber system, we notice that we're not using any external weather boots or weather sealing mechanisms on the external mount of the connector. However, when we engage our continuous ground feature by loosening the product, we can see that we maintain our mechanical integrity. Now, just to see how robust our mechanical seal is, I'd like to continue to loosen the product, and then loosen it some more, and then continue loosening, and then loosen some more, and some more, and then we'll continue loosening, and loosening, and loosening, and eventually we do reach mechanical failure. However, just to illustrate exactly how robust this seal is, I'd like to just show you exactly how many wrench turns it took to achieve a failure on the mechanical weather seal of this product, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 full wrench turns before we lose the mechanical integrity. I think what we're really proud of at Times Fiber is we are able to offer the market the first ever continuous ground connector that maintains its mechanical integrity, will seal the moisture and corrosive elements from your system while the continuity feature or continuous ground feature is engaged. We believe that the best practice for our customers is to deploy a continuous ground connector,
but when that continuous ground feature is engaged, they should not have to suffer from corrosion and all the common path distortion and the impairments that the corrosion will cause over time.